What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew with Matthew Specialized Detailing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is staying safe, and it has been what seems like forever since I've got an opportunity to do a YouTube video, so I wanted to make a quick little video just to let you guys know that I'm still around and I'm still working. I've been extremely busy and I'm grateful for that, and I kind of figured that as my seasonal business picks up in the summertime, it would be really challenging for me to juggle doing the service business and focus on all the back office stuff, making the videos. But the purpose of today's video is to talk a little bit about ceramic coatings and the value that ceramic coatings can bring. I've always said there's never a bad time to invest in a vital protection for your vehicle. However, there is a better time, and that's when the vehicle's brand new, just like this one here. This is a 2020 Ford Explorer ST, super cool car. The gentleman that owns this vehicle, after purchasing the vehicle, really went and did some research on ceramic coatings and found a median price that he was comfortable paying for this service. And in conversations with me, I was excited to talk to him about this because he was actually turned off and turned away by some company or someone online had a Groupon for a ceramic coating for a few $100s. And you know, I know a lot of times we just really make impulse buys strictly based on price, and it was really cool to see a customer actually do their homework and go down the rabbit hole to understand the value that goes into these ceramic coatings. So, you know, this past season I have talked to lots of people about their vehicles, performed lots of different services, and I really just wanted to bring to everyone's attention, you know, if you're driving a vehicle that's 3, 4, 5 or more years old, of course you can still put a ceramic coating on these vehicles. However, it's really typical to see the price of a vehicle that's got 40, 50,000 or more miles on it, the price being driven up exponentially, strictly because of the elongated paint correction process is necessary prior to installing a ceramic coating. So this vehicle, being that it's white, it's new, maybe I could call it virgin paint. It's not virgin paint, but paint is still really in great shape before we could get smashed in with all the road rash and the defects and all that stuff. So certainly when the vehicle's got a little bit less work, follows with a little bit more of an affordable price to follow. So if you guys got any questions about ceramic coatings, you know where to find me. This thing looks great. Hope you guys are doing great. We'll see you on the next video.